least alam mo na yung figure. Ay, may anak pala ako, kailangan na education ng anak ko. 18 years old siya mag-start mag-college, magkano ka kailanganin ko after inflating? After the computation, nadudun sa retirement and education natin calculator, malalaman mo na may value. Alam mo na yung goal achievement mo. Ngayon, para ma-achieve mo to, kailangan successful ka sa wealth accumulation. Kailangan alam mo yung figures sa sarili mo, magkano pa talaga yung kailangan ko, at ano pa talaga yung specific goal ko. Kailangan mo mag-commit. Ano ba yung mga pwede, ngayon kasi nalaman mo na yung goal mo, alamin mo ngayon, the how. How can I achieve that? Pwede akong mag-invest sa MP2. Pwede akong mag-invest sa stocks. Pwede akong mag-invest sa property. Pwede akong mag-invest sa unit trust, mutual funds. Ang daming ways. Ngayon, ang tanong, is it inclined? Kaya tinatanong ko lagi sa kausap ko kapag may mga kliyente ako, what is the purpose? Ba't ka nag-invest sa property na to? Kailangan, inclined yung pag-i-invest mo para ma-achieve to. Hindi ka na nag-i-invest for nothing. Kailangan align silang dalawa. Okay? So that's wealth accumulation. Kailangan maging successful to. Pero the problem is, may risk pa rin to. May risk na malugi, may risk pang mawala kasi bakit ikaw pa rin ang income generating asset? Ikaw yung main asset. Ikaw ang nagpo-produce ng income. Tama? So pag may nangyari sa'yo, what will happen? Mawawala to. Tama? Anong gagawin natin? We will protect that wealth. That is insurance. That is emergency fund. Kailangan meron kayong dalawang yon, insurance and emergency fund. For insurance, kailangan may death, total disability, critical illness, hospitalization, accident. Kailangan meron kayo nun. Kailangan may emergency fund ka. 3 to 6 months kapag single, 6 to 12 months kapag married or breadwinner. That's wealth protection. Kasi nga, kapag may nangyari dito, kasi hindi mo control yun eh. Ang kaya mo lang control yung sarili mo. Control ko yung protection ko. Ako, paprotektahan ko to. Then, ang problem, at yung sinasabi ko, at the bottom is cash flow management. We're talking about how to handle your money. Budgeting ulit tayo. In and out of your money. Kailangan makontrol mo yun with system. Kailangan pag magaling ka kasi dito, pag hindi ka magaling dito, hindi mo ma-achieve itong dalawang to. Pag di mo na-achieve itong dalawang to, say bye-bye na tayo sa goal mo. That's how financial planning works in a nutshell. So, what does it mean? Tignan mo. This is budgeting money. Ito yung sa debt. Each chapter represents yung entire pyramid. Debt management, at saka yung budgeting. Next, that's the foundation. Next is insurance and emergency fund. That is the protection. Ay, sorry, na-carry the way si John. Okay. Pagalitan natin siya. Okay. So next is savings and investing. That is for accumulation. And of course, at the last bottom, that is retirement, wealth distribution, and legacy. That is the purpose. That's how simple financial planning is. Ginagawa ng komplikado na marami. If you follow this is the science behind financial planning. If you follow this, it makes everything simple. Pinipicture ko yung mga